welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I have for you a fun bunny centerpiece. So you're going to need a cute bunny, and I found mine at TJ Maxx. I am using a candle holder or candle stand to elevate mine. You're going to need some round foam, and you're going to need some spring florals. Most of my floral picks came from Walmart and Dollar Tree. First, I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue hot glue, add it to the top of my candle holder, and I am going to place the foam right on top of the glue and let it have time to dry. My candle holder was originally gold and my son spray painted it black for me, and it came from Dollar General. Now I'm just taking my Dollar Tree fern picks and cutting them into shorter pieces, and we're going to start with them and put them around the outer edge first. You could add a little bit of hot glue onto the end of each pick right before you push it into the foam. I like to reuse my florals, so I'm not going to be gluing mine in. I like to make a pattern when I'm making a centerpiece or floral arrangement. So I've got one on the left, one on the right, one on the front, one on the back. And if you'll keep watching, I do a pattern throughout the whole entire bunny centerpiece. This is a very simple and easy bunny centerpiece that would be perfect on your dining room table on Easter Sunday. Just remember when you're picking out your floral picks that you want to try to get a variety of textures, colors, shapes that work well together. So there's how it looks with my ferns. Now I'm going in with these petite pink flowers, and I believe these came from Walmart. So I'm just cutting them into shorter pieces to try to pick out colors that work well together, variety of textures. And I'm cutting these pretty short because my bunny is going to be in the center and the flowers all around the bunny. For this bunny centerpiece, I started with the green fern. Now I'm going in with some flowers. So one pink petite flower pick on the left, one on the right, and I'm going to do a pattern. So start with your greenery first, and you want it to kind of drape and hang down, especially if you're putting it on a pedestal. Now if you want to, you could use a vase or a tray or a dough bowl to do this arrangement, or just a container. Also keep in mind the shape of your bunny when you're picking out your candle holder or your vase or your container that you're making your arrangement on. I picked out this candle holder at Dollar General, and the bunny that's from TJ Maxx sits perfectly on it. So think about that, make sure your bunny will sit on your candle stand or your vase and not fall off. And we'll also add some glue to secure our bunny in the end. You could add your bunny on top of your foam if you wanted to before you start adding your greenery. I like to kind of play with mine and experiment. I'll put it on top, then I'll take it back off, and I don't add mine until the very end. But when you get finished, you might add some E6000 glue and some Gorilla Glue, then let it sit and dry overnight. Here's how it looks with the pink flowers and the cute bunny added, but we still have more to add. I just like to take a little peek to see how it's looking. And there's the crocus bush from Walmart, Mainstays brand, and I'm just cutting it into shorter pieces. And a couple days ago, I added a spring floral arrangement using some beautiful yellow tulips and orange marigolds and all kinds of pretty fun colors for spring. So if you haven't seen that spring floral arrangement tutorial, I can link it in the description box for you. So if you'll notice where I'm placing the picks now on the foam, I am not on the edge like I was. I have moved up higher on my foam. That way the greenery kind of comes up around my bunny. I hope you are enjoying watching this floral arrangement or centerpiece tutorial. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, and decorating videos, and this is one of the easiest centerpieces to make. So here's how it looks with my little bunny sitting on top. It's getting nice and full, but we're going to add one more of the Walmart Mainstays brand crocus bush. I just love the way it looks, and I want it to be a little bit fuller, and then we're going to add a couple bows. So notice where I'm placing the flowers on the foam. Another fun touch for a Easter centerpiece would be to add some pretty decorative egg picks to this arrangement. This arrangement is so easy to make. Remember, we just started with some fern from Dollar Tree. Then we started with some Walmart, some petite pink flowers. Then 2 of the crocus bushes from Walmart. And then we're going to add our bunny and 2 bows. And it is ready for Easter dinner. This centerpiece is gorgeous from all sides, all angles. So it would be gorgeous on an entry table, gorgeous on a coffee table, dining room table, wherever you would like to place it. I forgot to mention in the beginning, if you would like to cover the foam with moss to make sure that your foam doesn't show, you could, but I don't think the foam will show. But some people like to cover the foam with moss before they begin. Now I'm adding a bow, and I'm going to be using some of those floral picks that I picked up at Michael's. They just make it so easy to attach a bow into foam. You will want to tie a bow for the front and the back, so 2 bows. So let out a short tail, make a loop, go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in the center, let out some more ribbon, go to the first side, the left side, make another loop, check to make sure the loops are the same size on each side, go back to the right side, make another loop, let out a short tail. Then you're going to want to take a zip tie and wrap the zip tie nice and tight around the center of your bow. And this is just a clear 4-inch zip tie. Make sure you get the zip tie nice and tight, then cut off the extra part of the zip tie. Then I'm just making sure and cutting the ends or the tails at a slant. And I'm going to take the floral pick, take the wire that's on it, just wrap the wire several times around the center of my bow. And then that little pick just easily pushes into the foam. Now I'm fluffing and shaping my double bow. Just put your hand in each loop to open up the loops. Make sure your tails are going the correct direction. So now we have a cute bow, one for the front, and make one for the back too. And we're just pushing the pick into the foam. And then I'm going to fluff my loops again and place my tails going forward. And I think the bow matches perfectly with all of the flowers. Next, it's time to add our Easter bunny right to the center of this arrangement. And I think this is so fun and pretty for Easter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You'll have to let me know what you think.